Hi, I'm Archana. I've done my mechanical engineering in MBSR Engineering College, which is affiliated to Osmania University. I've passed out in 2018. As a graduate, I have joined the organization called Sutherland Healthcare Department, which deals with the healthcare department of California State. I used to talk to the clients or providers of the California. Who would deal with the healthcare department of Sutherland and take the appointments and set the meeting with the client companies like various reputed companies like Amazon, etc. So this is the job role I have dealt with Sutherland. This is regarding my experience, and today I'm glad to introduce the organization called Aliens Groups and Developers, which is headquartered in High Tech City, Gachibowli. uh, the organization is one of the vast organization all over the India nowadays, and it is the booming real estate construction site which the Indian population is giving the best regard for planning their dream houses nowadays. So, Aliens Groups is a privately held Indian real estate and a construction company founded in 2004 and headquartered in Hyderabad, High Tech City. So, Aliens Groups was founded in 2004 by Hari Chella and Venkachella Garu. They are the founders of the company. Where Hari Chella Garu is the directing manager and founder, and Venkachella Garu is the joint managing director. So Aliens Groups and Developers has its projects including alien space stations, residential skyscrapers, which is located in Gachibowli. Coming back to the alien space stations, there are 14 alien space stations in Hyderabad, out of which 9 space stations has their own helipad on the top of the towers. Each tower consists of 30 floors of apartments, which is a biggest tower in High Tech City. So Aliens Groups raised Indian rupees of 200 crore million from Edwys Broking Limited for its projects called Alien Space Station. It has been also awarded with platinum rating by Indian Green Building Council, which is also known as IGBC, in the residential townships category in the year of 2008. So, IGBC Group Homes Platinum Award under Indian Green Building Council has been awarded to Aliens Groups and Developers because of its unique greenery and the atmosphere indulged in the site. Nowadays, because of the deforestation in Hyderabad, also in some rural and urban areas, people are most preferable to live their lives in most natural and green resources, like having plants in and around the house, and having natural gases getting into their houses like oxygen, natural oxygen, etc. So keeping this in mind, Alien Groups and Developers has you know demonstrated this kind of construction in the high-tech city high-tech city space stations. So these space stations are 14 together built at one area, which is more than 300 acres of land. So which looks from the top as in S shape. Like all the 14 space stations are constructed in such a way that they are altogether from the overview look as S in shape. So this is the unique uh, feature of Aliens Groups and Developers. So again, coming back to the awards, City Space Awards Real Estate Asia under the Best Residential Development Future has been awarded to Aliens Groups and Developers in the year of 2009. CitySpace is one of the prestigious award which can be awarded to the unique real estate developers. So it is very much glad that the organization has received this award from all over the India. uh, Competing with all over the India. So coming back to the awards from 2012, the founder of MD of Aliens Group, the founder, that is Hari Challagaru, has received the Aliens Group Green Award for his project Space Station. As I said, Space Station has the green, has the has the feature of developing the greenery, and the best amenity we can have is greenery in the Mindspace or the space station, which is developed in Aliens Groups and Developers. So this is the scenario about the Mindspace. We have many features in Mindspace, that is like amenities. We have our billing inspiring spaces, like in such a way that Alien Space Station Telapur, there are 30 floors of intelligent living, the ambience of a five-star hotel. We can experience the five-star hotel, lodging in Alien Space and Developers. So the living style would be so rich and so empathetic, so that you would like to stay, stay it as a residential organization. So it is the one of the best space station you would like to refer or prefer to somebody else whom you wanted to have a healthy and safe life, staying in the plots or apartments of big towers nowadays. So space station is a world in its own. Like we can describe, we can construct our own dream house, however you have customized in your dream, so that it can be well designed with the best interior designers of the Aliens Groups and Developers, and it can be well developed or built, well constructed with the latest amenities and using latest technologies, like latest technologies in the sense we can sense the flow of the person. Like as the person enters into the premises, we can welcome there cheerfully by lightening the house, etc. This is only possible using the sensors and the latest technology at the house. Like there are three types of interior designing concepts in Alien Groups and Developers. One is contemporary, and one is bespoken. Just a minute. One is bespoken option, and the other is natural option. So contemporary option has most of the house constructed with maximized glass usage and glass facades, space station. This will prove that we are in the 21st century touch. So this contemporary house design feels as that feels like make us feel like we are in the 21st century. And an entrance lobby with 3-inch speed glass elevators and more glamour at the apartment, bringing it all the more closer to the ambience of Plus Hotel, that is Plush Hotels. So there are project overview, like driving range and putting green, amphitheater, lake is available, pistol shooting range and cricket practice nets are available for the children and also the elders to have fun in the evening times, and also they can spend their time with family. This is completely like a community, a gated community, having with the greatest and more luxurious futures. Like we can swim, you can have the swimming pool on the top of your floor or the top of your terrace, where you can also enjoy the overview of the city, also enjoy the sights in and around the house you have. It would be very wonderful. So pistol shooting is also available as an outdoor play, that is outdoor playing range, and cricket practice nets are also available. Usually we prefer lot of space for practicing cricket, because at least the runway should be more than 1 or 2 kilometers for the bowler to give the bowling. So cricket practice nets are also available at the residence. So jogging and bicycle, can you just imagine, like in such a huge space station there is jogging, where greenery is more cultivated, where we encourage plants and we encourage growth of trees, gardening, all scaping is available in the environment which where you reside. This is the one of the most wonderful experience we can have in our lifetime. So for weekend, clubhouses are also available, infinity swimming pool is available, plazas like a huge big 5-star hotel, or some hotels like sh- hotels like big area, structural area is available, like infinity trekka swimming pool and tennis courts are available, landscape area, even spas are available, and indoor swimming pool is also available. If you are very much generous about having a swimming pool at your footsteps, that is inside your house, even you can design your house with swimming pool in the space stations. So there are apartment options like 2 BHK, that is 1222 square yards, that is 1122 square feet only. You can have a 2 BHK, and you can have a double bedroom plus 1 BHK plots, and also total land coverage is more than 80% open area in 14 stations of space stations. There are completely 83 towers in this organization, and each consists of 30 floors, 30 floors. So Alien Space Station location map has the distance from the airport only 5 minutes. You can reach space station from airport within 5 minutes. That is outer ring road, you can reach outer ring road from 7 within 7 minutes. Even high tech city is reached from international airport within 10 minutes. This is so marvelous thing we can have in our life, so that we can't waste time roaming all around the city, all the way from city till the airport. So that is why this aliens groups and developers has its unique space in India. So coming back to smart life and smart home, we have space station. So I'm talking about the space station which provides you the home of the future, homes that adopt to technology. As I said, it is highly technological. So technology rather than being controlled by technology. The statement states that technology rather than being controlled by technology is meant like the latest technologies you prefer would be updating all the time. Like technology cannot be dominated by technology anyways. So this is the scenario. Each living space at space station embraces the usefulness and advantages of high-tech city futures, such as we have facilities like biometric, home automation, Wi-Fi accessibility, touch and electrical switches, etc., to benefit the present day living standards. Like sometimes we forget switching off or switching on the power before we go to bed, something like that. So this helps us very much, like we have greatest technology of biometric security, that is automation switchboards we can insert in the plots. The apartments are fitted with automation facilities that set the lights temperature also. You can set your own temperature at your place or at your living room, that how much ever temperature your body suits. And music, you can also enjoy the music at your individuality, like see to the individuals preferences automatically. You can set the music at the volume you wanted, and that would not be disturbed to others, that would not be the disturbance to the others. That is the scenario in this apartment. And the apartments are modern and contemporary in their design, with maximum glassing. Maximum construction would be done using glasses which is non-breakable, which are highly qualified and quality maintained glasses, like reputed handwary glasses. Various brands of glasses are especially designed and manufactured from French companies. They have French windows, 100% power backup to give you uninterrupted comforts and services. Centralized LPG connection is also maintained in the space stations and bathrooms. Usually, we design the house in such a way that we feel comfortable even in bathrooms. So that amenity is the greatest we have in aliens groups and developers. Like living room, we have space in design and inspired by modern architecture. We can cultivate and we can develop modern architecture in your living room using the library at one place, using the television site and television area at one place. And even the design is modified in such a way that we can enter into different kinds of room, even though we have constructed the rooms having the main entrance from living room. So the abundant glass usage is the one of the advantage for this kind of amenity. So coming back to the kitchen, there are a number of racks you can see in the kitchen. Centralized LPG cooking gas connection, breakfast counter table. You can have separate breakfast counter table in kitchen. Then stainless steel sink and drain board is also available. Where at space station we want your space to be just the way you want it. Like keeping that in mind, we choose colors and fittings that shape the distinctiveness of each individual home. As each apartment differs in size, exactly, as each apartment differs in size, fittings are set perfectly in high quality modular designer kitchens. And then coming back to bedroom, comfort is essential when so much of stress. When we come back from our workplace, we usually prefer to be relaxed and have a comfort zone in our bedroom. So that and also we feel like relaxing and also watch TV. So that kind of facility is also available in space stations, such that you can also get your own amenities in and around in your bedroom itself. Like it is possible using remote control switches, TV points and telephone in the master bedroom itself, as I said. And spectacular windows often leading to individual balconies. You can, how wonderful it would be, like entering into the bedroom and having an overview of the outside apartments, or the outside environment. You could enjoy sitting on your bed. So everything would be possible because of the glass construction you have done with, even in your bedroom corridor. So from penthouse sky villa is also available. As I said, sky villa is would be constructed on the top of your terrace, where you can enjoy swimming even whenever you need. Like this is possible based on the best interior package we get. The interior package consists of interior design planning to execution, fall ceiling and designer lights, modular kitchen with electric chimney and hob, then wardrobes and cupboards. Latest design of wardrobes and cupboards are also available in the interior package. Then texture paint on walls according or as per design option. Most of the people prefer to have their own designs on their walls. Like some people prefer to have their own design, like they wanted to paste their own handmade or hand drawing on the walls. So this facility is also available. Or some people like to prefer only white furnishing because of the rich look they need. So this kind of preferences are very much encouraged in these aliens groups and developers. So texture point on walls according or as per the design option is available. Dishwashers and front loading washing machine and dryer for 3 bedroom apartments is available. You can have washing machine for 3 bedroom apartments, uh, and dryer also. So 3 fitted split acts for 2 BHK, 2 plus 1 BHK, and 4 for 3 BHK apartments. This is about the contemporary option. The living room would be very lively. Like if just imagine if you are living on a 30 floor building and your floor is on the 30th floor. If you look down from your living room, from the glass door, then how it would be? So it would be very glad that you have this live experience from your living room itself. So even kitchen is highly modified, highly technologified. Like Samsung has released the technologified gas stove, where it is completely technologified or manufactured in such a way that we don't have to stand in front of the stove and operate or cook standing over there. It is highly technologified such a way you can even sit in your office and cook, or you can even have the guidance to how to cook and even off the stove. That is that is possible only using the highly technology like sensors. So this kind of technologies can be used only when you have the greatest kitchen designing and the greatest technologified constructed interior designing of the kitchen. So this would be possible using aliens groups and developers construction. Then coming back to bathrooms, you have greatest amenities and branded taps and showers. You can also use your bathroom as living room sometimes, because it is highly technologified in that way that we can also fix a TV in the shower as well. So this is about the contemporary. Then coming back to natural option. Natural option seems to be like you're living in a natural place having greenery around. You can consider that as living room, also a bedroom or a kitchen, whatever you like it is like a well dream house, a good dream house, which has highly focused lights and which gives us a rich look. So you can also have penthouse or sky villa in front of your living room, so that you can date with your loved ones in the space. So bespoke is one of the option. Next to the natural option, bespoke has greatest amenity, that is living room would be very much richly designed, such that we can have TV and television in front of our sofa. And it is actually preferred mostly by business delegates, etc. So it is highly modified for such purposes. You can also have lift or escalators inside your house, so that you would some people can't afford to prefer steps all the time, so it would be easier to reach wherever you want at your own house. So this is about the bespoke option. Then coming back to aliens group and developers, as I said, alien groups and developers has the infrastructure and also infra. So this first time this is the first time in Hyderabad the 27 whole golf community is arranged by aliens groups and developers. We have various amenities in golf community, first time in Hyderabad, because it has 27 whole golf community which is introduced by alien groups and developers. Like we have ATV bike, archery, boomerang is also encouraged, and leisure bowl. Leisure bowl is one of the best sports preferred by United States of America. Then rock climbing. Most of the children, actually, children are also the elders. They prefer rock climbing much. This is available in the 27 golf community. And cricket, as I said, cricket needs a huge area to practice even. So cricket nets are also available, and football is also available. Dart, which we played using foot to hit the balloon, the target actually. So kite is also, we can also fly kites staying at the residence. Mountaineering is also available. It is great that we have even mountaineering in the 27 Gulf community, because mountaineering is not that easy to establish or construct in a gated community. So it would be more natural for your life. Even bungee jumping is also available. Just imagine that you have such a great amenity in this organization, like in this construction, where they also provide bungee jumping, because bungee jumping is usually done at the top of the, at the most top or highest places. It needs more height to jump from. Even you can plan camp in this place. Spike ball or slamo is available. Zipline and zipline, it is one of the dangerous sports, we can say, but most thrilling as well. Basketball is available. And then Tarzan swing is all available. Tarzan swing is mostly seen in Swadeshi Castle in Pogo. So Tarzan swim is available for kids to play. Burma Bridge. Burma Bridge is the most thrilling experience we can have in the lifetime, because we need to walk on the ropes, balancing our whole body weight at the center of gravity. And ring walk is also available. So tire walk, ring walk, these all are so funny games where we get lot of fun. Trampoline. Pe- People of elder age also like to jump and scream, and they also prefer to be so joyful. So this would happen only when trampoline is available at our residence. So these are the various amenities we have in 27 whole Gulf community. And this is what I would like to explain about Gulf community. And the next concept is aliens hub features. So we also have a aliens hub, which is a smart city project which is set against a tranquil landscape. This project is set against the tranquil landscape, where hub incorporates innovation plots in Hyderabad and intelligent living spaces to build a smart community. So these are built on the landscapes, especially this is the uniqueness of aliens groups and developers, where they have built the construction on landscapes. So it has the features of 27 whole signature of golf course, city retreat resorts operated by international resort operators. City retreat resorts are manually operated by the international resort operators. So plotted land and varying from 300 to 2000 square yards. Aviation and aero modeling club is also available. It seems like aviation and aero modeling club can be encouraged only when landscapes are preferred, because aviation has to take the gravity from the lowest to the highest. So corporate blocks says and international schools are also available. You don't have to worry about your kids regarding the relocation of your residence from some other place to aliens groups and developers or space stations, because the community itself has has been organized in such a way that you would find even medical and pharmacy 24/7. you would find medical facilities like multiplex hospitals being built in the community, and also the shopping complex is being built in the community. And also the major thing is corporate schools or international schools are being in the community itself. Your children can easily walk and go to school and then come back, so that you will also be more safer that your children are beside your place even though they are in school. That would be very glad to imagine at least. So there are features like golf course, golf villas, golf club house, pro shop, driving range, and even residentials. You can decide it based on the scenarios we have. That is, hilltop villas are available, forest villas, weekend homes, row house, low rise apartments to medium rise apartments to high rise apartments are also preferable. And then serviced villas or apartments, custom homes are designed in this organization, by this organization. So it is city center. As it is city center, we can also have in and around amenities like 5-star resort, gym, spa, shopping mall, coffee lounge, restaurants, museum, art gallery, library, amphitheater is also available. As I said, medical hub, that is super specialty hospitals, 24/7 pharmacy, wellness center, health farm is available. Then coming back to aviation, fly in homes, most of the people prefer to fly in homes, hangar. Then aero modeling club, fixed based operations, 2 kilometer airstrip is available. So these are the amenities about the aliens hub. So that is very fantastic about the features we have in aliens hub. Now coming back to the olympia hub, aliens groups and developers has been established and been reached till various states, various areas of the country, like Acropolis, Arcadia, Delphi, Cytherea, Ithaca, Corinth, Odessa village, then Portofino Vista, Egina Bay. So these are the boundaries where aliens groups and developers has reached all over the India. Also, we can say internationally. So this is the scenario. Coming back to the property scenario of aliens group and developers in India, this is the only major city which can give you high quality returns on investment amongst India's 7 major cities. That is, it should not surprise anyone if it is being said that Hyderabad is the only one city where property sales have grown by 32% every year from the average of 2013 to 2014 to 2018. So the decision of the central government to cut GST tax rates from 12% to 5% on under construction houses is also expected to boost real estate demand, which in return will lead to land price appreciation in the market. So this is the good news we can hear from the market of real estate. And as it is preferred, showing the plotted developments going around the vicinity of the aliens hub site or Sri Salem highway. The constructions has been constructed so vast, where it started from Hyderabad highway, which includes Kandukuru, Green Eldorado, Pharma City, Dasaralapalli, Three Park, Green Meadows are also constructed by alien groups and developers. These all the famous amenities have been constructed all over through Hyderabad highway to the Sri Salem highway. In between, where we find aliens hub near to Vitai Palli and Rajaram RJ, that which is famous as RJR, Hanuman Valley, and Amangal Green Canvas. These are the famous locations where aliens groups and developers has been developed. or being constructed. So this is the scenario about and the brief description about the alien groups and developers features we have. And I would like to thank you so much for giving me such a huge opportunity, such a wonderful opportunity to talk about the company and also explain about the company. This concludes my presentation for the day. Thank you. Have a great day.